Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechHipU, and today's topic is Canva websites. So we will design a YouTube thumbnail with the help of the Canva websites. Here you can see on the last uploaded video we did not updated the thumbnail of the video, so we will create a thumbnail for our this video with the help of Canva websites. So let's start the video. Open your browser and type Canva. Click on the first given link, www.canva.com. Now as you can see, there are two options are given: login and sign up. If you already have an registered account with this website, you can click on the login, or if you don't have a registered account with this website, you can click on the sign up and complete the sign up process. So I already have a registered account with this website, so I will click on the login. On the next page you can see there are three options are given: login into your account, continue with the Google account, continue with Facebook account, continue with the email account. So I will use my third option, continue with the email account, and login with my registered email. This is very useful and powerful website. Mostly designers use this website. There are lots of templates related to social media marketing are given. You can create a intro video, you can create presentations, whiteboard, animated documentation, YouTube banner, Facebook banner. Say you can use this website for graphic designing purpose. So we are here to design a thumbnail of our YouTube already uploaded video. So we will search here YouTube. Here you can see there are lots of templates are given. You just need to select a template and customize the template as per your requirement. Just select the template and click on the customize this template. Now you can edit this template. You can add anything with the help of Canva tools. You can remove anything with the help of Canva templates. I will edit the title of the thumbnail. I have edited the words how to create a Facebook page, a video by TechHipU. So I am removing this image. On the left side menu bar an option is given elements. Click on the elements and you can anything you want to add, and just like I want to add Facebook logo, I will search Facebook here, and you can see their Facebook logo in the graphic shape is appears. So I will pick the logo and drop into the thumbnail. Move these stars to the right side. Now I want to more icons on this thumbnail. I want to add subscription button, drag and drop. On the second option uploads, you can upload your own image if you want to add in this image. And on the fourth option text, you can type any text you want to add. You can change the background. Just simply drag and drop. I want to add this word down and want to increase the font size. I want these stars also on the left side top corner, so I will click on the stars and click on this duplicate option. Now we have designed a simple looking thumbnail with the help of Canva website. So this video is especially for YouTubers who purchase paid thumbnails from the graphic designers they can use this website design an outstanding thumbnail for your video. So we have created our thumbnail. Now we will download this thumbnail and update the thumbnail of our video. Just click on this download icon and further click on downloads. Now here you can see they are suggesting you that we can download this as a JPEG format or PNG, PDF format and GIF format. All formats are given and they are suggesting to download the thumbnail in PNG format. So we will continue with PNG format and click on the download. Thumbnail is downloaded. Copy and paste on the desktop. Rename the thumbnail. Here you can see the preview of the thumbnail. Now we are uploading this thumbnail. Just click on the object, scroll down the page, upload the thumbnail, go to desktop, select, and click on the save. We have successfully updated our video's thumbnail. And in the next video we will learn how to design a Facebook cover photo with the help of Canva websites. So with the help of this video you guys learn how to design a thumbnail free of cost with the help of Canva websites for your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.